Blessed people, you're joining here with Ringo Vision again, cooking with Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. You're live here with Ringo Vision and Barber Brown. Barber Brown, tell the people, let me say you're there with Ringo Vision now.
Give thanks Ringo Vision. See me? It's a nice feeling to know so we're in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Cook a simple dish.
Yeah.
Get me quick, very, when I mean quick, like 15, let's say 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So basically today, corned beef, you get me? And just simple, some rice, some cabbage mixed with the corned beef. You know, very cheap, affordable.
And as usual, you have your peppers in our bowl, our scallion, our garlic and our tomatoes and our onions, as you can see this here. So this is what we're gonna make for you today, guys. We're gonna make a simple meal for you guys today. A meal that is a fiver or less than a fiver, because as we got here, a tin of corned beef is £1.79. The cabbage here is from Lidl, which is, how much we pay for it, bro?
62p.
62p. And then we have our peppers here, which we paid under 70 pence for our peppers, and you know, we paid under 70 pence for our tomatoes as well, and it was 49 pence for the cube of garlic. So you know, so we've got a meal here to prepare for you guys for under a fiver. Alright, let's begin. First of all today, guys, we're gonna start cutting up our veg to prepare for the corned beef. Yeah. Bro, we start with the onion.
Yeah.
You can start cut up the onion then for me, bro. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the last episode. The last episode was really great. You know, we had it was a whole different style that we had for you guys, because it was a bit more meaty and a bit more fishy. Today is a bit more simple, you know. So we got a simple meal for people today, which is corned beef. Remember when you're at home, yeah, sometimes it's not all about the expensive meal. Sometimes you just want to make something quickly, or sometimes you might be on a budget also, where you're budgeting yourself. Let's say for instance, because you're saving for something at the end of the month, or in a few months, or at the end of the year. So twice a week you might have a budget meal in the house for you and the family. And this is one of the greatest budget meals you can think of. Corned beef and white rice. Today we're gonna mix our corned beef with some cabbage. So it's gonna be corned beef and steamed cabbage with the white rice. And also as well, if you're vegan and you don't eat meat, you don't have to use the corned beef. You can just use the steamed cabbage with the veg, with the white rice. And if you don't particularly fancy rice, you also have pasta. So you can also make your corned beef and have it with pasta also, if you don't fancy rice. So there's plenty of ways we can create a nice budget meal for you guys, people. And you know, it's a pleasure to have everyone that is tuned in, locked in and watching. Thank you for everybody that's been supporting so far, and thanks for the new subscribers that's subscribed due because of the cooking which is going on. And I hope you guys enjoy.
So what I'm doing at this moment, I'm getting the rice prepared, you know. I wash it, give a couple wash, you get out the starch, excess starch. That means when you put it in the pot, it not full up on a starch, because that's what you must try. And rice full of starch, so you have to wash it properly. So Ringo,
yo.
So how you feel at the moment? You know, say the platform and the Ringo Vision focus in the kitchen at the moment.
Yeah.
How you feel towards it?
I like it still now because you know it's a joy because I remember say cooking is one of my favourite hobbies. Yeah. Cooking is something I really enjoy. So even for me as right now and I cook, it's a joy if you know say me I do something. It's like a man say, boy, I could go to my park now and go play some football. You know? So it's like that's what it is. Yeah. Cooking to me is like someone taking time out to say, well, I'm gonna go and play some football because it doesn't always have to be like that long wounded meal. I can just be doing something quick and simple like this.
You know,
and at the same time as well, yeah.
Rice still, although white rice, get a bit of flavour, innit? Yeah. Sorry that Ringo.
So even at the same time as well, yeah, the preparation is a part of therapy as well. You get me? Because I'm holding the meds, I'm holding a vibes in my head while I'm cutting up and thinking about the food as well, how I want the food to smell, how I want the food to taste. So it's all about a buzz as well. It's a buzz. Yeah. It's a buzz. I like going true. Because if a man play sports and in score a goal, then you must get a buzz. Of course. So if you cook the food and the food tastes nice and the food look good, you must get a buzz. Definitely. Yeah, so it's a buzz as well. Yeah, it's a buzz. There's a buzz in it. So don't make nobody tell you say if you cook food, you not get no buzz out of it because cooking food boring. Lie them at them. Lie. Yeah.
Food is love, man.
Food is love.
And once you cook food and you do it the right way as how we are doing it now, you'll get a buzz and an energy. Because food is a staff of life. Without this, you can't have strength. So you need it. Every day in your life you need it. So it's a love. So you have to just put in the love and the passion where you have. You get me? Yeah. And it will just come simple. It's not hard. It look hard, but it's very simple if you put in the love.
And the next thing you have to take your time as well, no? You know, food is not a thing you rush. It's not a rush thing. Food is not a thing you rush. Corned beef it already contains salt in it. It's not one of those products that you can wash it out like saltfish. Last time you saw us, we boiled the saltfish. This is just straight in the pot. As you can see, onion are gone in, garlic gone in. Yeah.
It's a joy for doing this still because it brings memories. Cause you know why it brings memories, Ringo? Yeah. You see when that Jamaica where I grow, we never really have a lot. Yeah. Yeah, and that thing will bring back memories to me. What about memories?
The corned beef.
Corned beef because, you know, alright, put it in terms. Like when, you know, we have figure of speech on certain terms. I'm gonna say poor people. Well, this is one of my poor people dish where we eat mostly at Jamaica. We have a next one, named tin mackerel.
Tin mackerel.
And one named sardine. Them things are open a lot of Jamaica. Yeah. If you go to Jamaica and check the yard back, them are bare them things. You'll find. Yeah. So, it's like a joy if you come back to them and know say, what look what
I bring up essence to the people. Yeah. I make them know. Memories. I style because we are doing it in a style as well. Yeah. I not just corned beef in a pot. No. Check it out.
Cabbage same way.
Check it out. Check it out people. You know now man. No. I not just your regular corned beef fling up in a pot.
And here one. Yeah. As we just say, right. We not just open the corned beef and just throw it in the eye like no. We are bring flavor to it. We are fry up some nice organic season. See natural from
yellow
the earth.
Pepper, red pepper, right? Green. A Rasta color said we're not. A Rasta color.
You see, unity, strength.
Yeah.
Right? So, you see, as the Ringo said, it's not just corned beef for us open and throw in the pot like no. We are bringing a dish. Cause this is a dish, you know, but you have to prepare it properly.
Can you have it in a sandwich as well? Them can have it in a sandwich as well.
Can eat same out of the thing.
Just like
but we are bringing the dish style to them.
Dish style to it. Yeah. The warm style, the hot meal.
The hot meal. Yeah. We have to taste a different flavor. Right?
For real.
Because beef is a nice meat if you know how to deal with it. Yeah? Especially the corned beef. Right? Once you know how to get it, the flavor up, and as a Ringo said no. It can't not sandwich anything, but today now we plan for alright. We do a simple dish, quick 15 minutes. It make me maximum. And we don't say, we have a nice meal, hot meal and eat. Yeah? And it bring memories to it, because we say me grow up on them things. Me this still one at a time I think never done beef.
Real.
Now enter.
Yeah man.
Enter in them things in the pot now because I feel like the timing is right. Because we feel a flavour. Right?
Right.
Yeah.
So bro, we're going to use one of the first Maggi cube. People, we have a Maggi cube, we're going to drop one of the Maggi cube to enhance with flavour. Because remember, you can add any form of packet seasoning you want to enhance the flavour, because everybody have their own style. You might want to use some all-purpose seasoning. You might even can use your chicken seasoning on it. You can use your beef seasoning on it. You can use your vegetable seasoning on it as well. But we're just going to use a simple Maggi cube as all in one.
It's a mix corned beef with steamed cabbage, but we're going to enter in the cabbage now. So lift and stir, right? Cabbage spring its own water, so you only need to put any water in this, because cabbage don't have its own water already. So all you do, lift and stir it, and once you lift and stir it, everything will take time and come right in.
This version here is for the vegan. So if you was vegan, we wouldn't go past this stage.
Yeah, you could.
We would just stop right here, and that's the meal finished, completed, right? But because we did already make up our mind and say we was gonna do steamed cabbage with corned beef with the white rice, check it out. See the white rice there?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
And it's so simple, guys, yeah, to create a meal at home.
Come on, that come on nice, you know. Once you see it a sweat like this, you know, say it come in nice. Cabbage, as I say, cabbage, you don't need to put water on cabbage. Spring its own water and have its own residue in it already. Natural from the earth. You know? So all you have to do now is take him time and steam nicely. Yeah. Beautiful. So the rice, no? Go and steam done nicely. When you done steam now, give.
It's simple, I put it into 4 slices.
Yeah, natural.
Naturally. Yeah. So people today, Brown, I want to show the people them today.
Yeah.
This is it. Corned beef and white rice.
Yeah.
There's not much more to do to this, and there's not much more you can get out of it.
We are bringing something forward to the younger youth them for know say yeah, use up the kitchen.
Use up the kitchen, man.
Leave the, and the next thing you know, Ringo, me want to left something with them too now.
Yeah.
Younger youth them, please. Yes, we have the knife in the kitchen, but we use it for the creative thing.
Oh gosh.
Please, me I beg you no. Leave the knife them at home.
No, the knife them to come out of the house and no bag.
No bag.
No pants front.
No pants front.
No back pocket.
No back pocket.
No side pocket.
No side pocket.
No jacket pocket.
No jacket pocket.
No rucksack.
No rucksack.
And
Yeah?
left the knife them in the kitchen.
Look, see the knife there? Do all of the work.
And you see the little simple little knife, yeah? It's dangerous.
And we leave it in the kitchen.
And we leave it in the kitchen.
Thank you.
It's not supposed to come out of the kitchen. So people in the younger generation, we love one and we love each other and we love ourselves. We just want the togetherness and know say, no try going to the kitchen and cook some food, because this is not about war and killing.
No.
This is about cooking, eating and sharing. Yeah.
Definitely.
So people, respect and thanks for being here and watching Ringo Vision and Barber Brown. See here, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo. But last but not least, we're gonna share a meal and let you guys see the outcome of how it will look on a plate. Thank you very much, guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and the knife stays in the kitchen.
Stay in the kitchen.
Fame makes people